get started.
This one or this one? Okay, Glass, what's the forecast today? Ah, not bad.
Ugh, as always. Okay, Glass, Google Margaret Atwood. Okay, cool. Thanks so much, bye. I wonder if this would fit Mark. Sure, I can be there in 20 minutes. Okay, Glass, get directions to the coffee pond.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm great, how are you?
I've got some news. I got the job.
Amazing, congratulations.
Oh, you're so cute.
Okay, Glass, turn off the music. Mark! Honey! You're home early.
Yeah. And you're not.